This review is of Guittard 64% semi-sweet dark chocolate baking bar. This is fair trade certified, non-GMO, free from peanuts, tree nuts, and gluten. They do have a recipe for a chocolate souffle inside. This is actually in San Francisco. It's from the Etienne collection of African-made chocolate. It has 3 bars in here, which is wonderful because, you know, I love chocolate. And then aside from that, oh, and it's Parv. I almost forgot that. But aside from that, that's pretty much it. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Now, I don't care that this is being sold as a baking bar. The important thing is that it's got sugar or some other kind of sweetener and chocolate. And you can find the recipe from the Guittard family inside. I assume I'm saying it correctly. I don't actually know how to say that name. So yeah, this is another company that sounds like it's in Europe, but it's not. Alright, and here we have the chocolate. There's some muted fruit overtone. It's nicely sweet, not too sweet, and a little bit sour, which is good. Just only a little bit. So yes, it's nice. It's not a spectacular chocolate, but it is nice. I like the fact that they don't destroy their chocolate with alkali. They don't use milk, although it does say that it may be contaminated with milk, so if you have milk allergy, it wouldn't be safe. It's good that they mentioned that. But I wish it just had more of a special flavor to it, but it is good. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.